Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way of getting a job using the Canada Job Bank portal. A lot of people have been doing it the wrong way, and that's why they've not been having good results. They've had little or no results. So let's start it from the beginning. Go straight to Google and search for Canada Job Bank. Click on Foreign Candidate. Ensure you click on the right link because there are tons of copy types of that Canada Job portal. So ensure you click on the right link. So yeah, this is the page. You can just go through it. You can find out general information and useful resource to guide you through the process. Firstly, confirm your eligibility, check if your qualification are recognized, and search and apply to jobs. So let's go straight to the smart way of looking for a job. Click on the advanced. And a good thing that you can use your laptop or your phone to do this. So you have no excuse. I'll clear the filters because before making this video, I was on this job portal. So let me clear the filters. So after clearing the filters, the jobs are 133 result. That is a lot. So if you are going to be searching for a job, it's going to take you months before you be done with it. So let's just run through the filters category. You have date posted. You have location, absolutely Canada. We have employment conditions, language at work. Are you bilingual? Hours of work? Your salary, six figures. Employment groups, type of job. Also, student can also look for jobs. Probably you're already in Canada. Province and territories. You can see Alberta, British Columbia. British Columbia have the highest job vacancies here. Job source, job categories, education or training. They have jobs for the university, college or apprenticeship. But let's head back to the top. Now, let's click on employment conditions. Let's go for day, but you can pick one or two. You can pick day, morning, depending on what kind of shift or employment condition you want. Language at work, English. But if you speak French and English, you can pick English and French. Hours of work, full time. Period of employment, permanent. Yeah. The goal is for us to land in Canada and be able to pay our bills, right? So salary depends on the salary you want. Six figure, 20 figures. Ensure you are qualified. Remote work opportunities, remote work unavailable. That is on-site jobs. Employment groups, indigenous people. But if you're a newcomer, that means you're already in Canada. Or are you a person with disability? Or are you old workers? Or temporary foreign workers just want to come to Canada for a short while, work for like 3 months and 6 months and go back to your home country. That also works. For job type, exclude student jobs. Province and territory. This is the tricky part. Check for the province that has the highest job vacancies. The more the better. That means you have higher chances of getting a job in that place, right? So we have Manitoba, we have British Columbia, we have Alberta. You can pick more than two. You can pick Alberta, British Columbia, Saskatchewan. Depends. So now you can see the result is now down to 13,998 results. Let's go to job source. Ensure you picked verified jobs. Please, let's not waste our time. Verified jobs means it's like a blue tick. I'll show you when we get to that. Verified job shows us that Canada trusts these employers. So job categories, I'll leave this blank, but if you are sure what you want, you can click on that. Education or training, let's go for secondary school or job specific training, and you can see that that is what have the highest. If your goal is to land in Canada and you don't really care about what kind of job it is, why not? And you can click more than two. You can click secondary school or job specific training or and the university. So for years of experience, 1 year to less than 3 years, depends on what you're. In fact, there are jobs with no experience. You can see 1,813 job vacancies currently available. So everybody is good to go. We're on the right tracks. Internet applicants, we are Canadians and international candidates. So we fall in the category of Canadians and international candidates. So for benefits, click on long-term benefits. You can click on health benefits, other benefits. You can pick more than two. You can tick more than two. So yeah, let's head up. So now you can see the result is now 550. Is that not amazing? Before we go further, this video is about 14 minutes long. And if you like to watch it at a faster speed because I don't want you to miss any part of this video, go to your YouTube setting and increase playback speed by 1.25 or by 2 times. This will help. So now let's check for date posted. You can see for the last 48 hours, there's only one job that is available to be seen. Let's see what that job is. So let's click on view one result. So the only job available that has been posted within 48 hours is automotive window tint installer. That blue tick shows that the job is verified, right? So let's understand all these symbols. The blue tick shows that the job is verified. And you can see the salary and the location. But one job is small. Let's go back. Now let's click for last 30 days. You can see it has 170 job available. So let's click on that. Let's head up straight to see what this 170 results brings. So now here you can see all the available jobs near Alberta. Still with our futures, permanent. Yeah, another good thing is that when we choose the next option, it brought even the automotive we earlier saw and other jobs that have been posted within that time frame. Now we have food service supervisor, baker, retail, we can see the kind of jobs. And also this can also help you tailor your resume because it's best you just apply to like 2 3 jobs so it's easier for you know that you're applying to all the jobs. You can say, okay, I'll be applying for food service supervisor and one other type of job, and so it will help you in your job search. So now for this food service supervisor that we're checking, you can see it is verified. That tick is verified. It has 4 vacancies, and you can see the responsibility, additional information and benefits. And when you see this circle, this word, it means that other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit can apply. When you see this is a green light that you can apply, and it's advertised until 2023 10/07, right? So make sure you go through the job details, read through everything, screenshot them, screenshot the information you need so you can edit your CV to suit the job. The more tailored your CV is to the job, the better. So for how to apply, there's an email here. I include this reference number in your application. Also, another way you can also check for the name of the company online and go to their job site on their career page. That's if you check their website. That's another good way too. follow suit in this application process. So let's head back and see one more job. Let's see, there's apprentice and plumber, there's pizza cook, and also these are some of the skills you can also learn before coming to Canada. I'll leave a description for a video that will be telling you the skills you need to learn if you're still in your home country before you come to Canada. Because from here you can see cook, you can see plumber. Those are additional skills that if you have, you're good to go. Let's check what this restaurant manager roles entail. So here you can see just one vacancy and it is verified. And see the years of experience, just 2 years. And credential, ensure you have this credentials, certificate, and license and needed. First aid certificate, safe food, and little. That's just to tell you that any job you'll be applying for, ensure you have at least 90% of everything they need. That at least you know you have a very good standing. Like I explained earlier, take a screenshot of some of these credentials. If there are things you need to work on getting or online certificate you can easily get, please do. Please do. So in additional information, it's a fast-paced environment. You should have your valid driver's license. Please do well to watch this next video of the skills you need to have before coming down to Canada. Now see this warning signal down here. It says only apply to this job if you are a Canadian citizen, a permanent or temporary resident of Canada, and you have a valid Canadian work permit. And if you notice, different from the earlier I showed, that is the word. So please don't bother applying. Don't waste your time. There are tons of jobs you still have to apply, and you have higher chances. Better you go for jobs you have higher chances than wishing or praying. No, there's no prayer in this. Just do the right thing, and it will work in your favor and align. So please, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. And I would like to hear from you in the comment section. What job portal are you using to apply for jobs in Canada? Or what jobs are you even looking for or you want to get in Canada? If it's something we all can work together or I can assist, why not? If you have any other trusted portal you use or you know somebody have used, please leave it down in the comment section below so everybody watching this video will benefit from it. So here I'm clicking on more. I clicked on college or apprenticeship. Let's see what it brings before we round up this video. And also you can create an alert. Yes, you can create a job alert. For example, like if you notice in the former search we did, the food service supervisor was a lot. You can go there, click create an alert for food service supervisor, and whenever that job is available with everything you've entailed, is going to be directed to your email. This is where I'll be drawing the curtain for this video. Please, if you have questions, I look forward to receiving them in the comment section. Please like my video, share, and subscribe. It takes you nothing, and this is your own way of showing me that you're supporting this channel. Yeah, please do. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.